Alright you lot, here we are, the elusive 3DO blaster. First, let me tell you something, I hate bloody unboxing videos cause they're sort of retarded, but this thing is rather special and extremely rare, and still in its original shrink wrap after 30 years or so. So I'm gonna make an exception and go retard as well. I hope I won't find a brick inside the box, the shrink wrap seems quite genuine though. This is gonna be a quick unboxing video. I'm gonna do a proper review after I spend some time with the card. Well, I don't even know how these unboxing videos work and I'm not willing to watch their shit voluntarily, so let's cut to the case, shall we? As you lot have surely noticed, it's a Japanese version, so let's cut in Japanese style. I just realized before I start cutting into the shrink wrap, let's have a gander at the box. There's pretty much nothing interesting going on. It's a standard Creative Labs box, except for this bit right here. This is the interesting bit. It says necessary system environment, which is 46, 25 MHz, 8 MB of RAM. This line says it needs a graphics card with feature connector, which is this one. A lot of IC cards and most PCI cards have this connector, some however do not, so if you had such a card and wanted the 3DO blaster, you had to get a new VGA card. Then we've got DOS 5, Windows 3.1 and Sound Blaster 16 or Sound Blaster R32. And I wonder if it's gonna work with some other cards like Gravis or Ensoniq or whatever. And this line here may end up being a serious issue if the card really needs this one specific drive to work. Let's crack on with the main event then. I'm gonna cut it somewhere around the flap and keep the rest of the shrink wrap intact. And this halved the price of the card. Now let's have a look inside and decrease the price a little bit more. Some foam padding. This is apparently gamepad, looks like one of the official ones. Then we've got some cables here, VJ and feature, also audio CD cable. Alright, what else we've got here? The 3DO Interactive Sampler CD seems like some game demos, probably. Then there's some crap. Something else. Instruction manual. Another crap. Some other crap. Gridder's instruction manual. I've got no idea what that is. The manual is of course in Japanese. And this is some diskette, it's probably drivers. And here it is, the card itself. Cracking little card, innit? Let's put it aside for now and let's take a closer look at the rest. We've got a VJ cable. This is a feature cable that can be used for new but also the old type of the feature connector that can be found on ISA cards. One end goes to a 3DO blaster and the other to a VJ card. The controller looks cheap and feels cheap. It's made by Logitech apparently. The D-pad is terrible, it feels too hard to press and it doesn't feel comfortable. The buttons are much nicer to press but feel crappy and cheap. This looks like a 3DO sticker. The sampler CD, I'll try that later on. This Gridder's instruction manual, not sure what that is, but I'll try that too. Crap. 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 And the Japanese manual. And then there's the 3DO blaster itself. It's a full-sized ISA card with the 3DO stuff on it. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. And that's about it for this video. A proper review will come once I test the card thoroughly. Leave a comment and I'll catch you next time. Ta-ta.